up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. When I say rain, sleet, hail, snow, I'm literally always out here. This is last day half off. There's 2 more things off that Caprice I'm trying to grab. Hopefully they ain't pull it. It was dumping down rain, and it's still raining really, but it was, you couldn't even see on the highway. Anyway, let's go look at this Caprice. So the last 2 things I actually came for are still here. Picked up the bumper, and I picked up the steering column. I took apart the bumper yesterday, but I didn't know what the price is going to be. And then I picked up the steering column. I loosened it up, but then I didn't have a hammer to get the shaft out all the way, so I had to bring a big old sledgehammer to tap it out. And like, as far as the grill's cracked. I would have took this one. Like, I really didn't care that it was busted up here. I just wanted the frame of it, but it's busted right there too, so it's not the ideal one that I want, so I'm gonna leave that. I took all the window trim, the windshield trim, all the rocker trim, which I showed you the video, all the rocker trim. I took the back glass trim. I really didn't take anything out the rear end. These lights are busted. It's busted there, and then smashed up there. This bezel here is broken right there. I could take the middle and then the passenger side trim right here, but I'm gonna leave it. The bumper, I would have took the bumper, but the bumper smashed in too on the driver's side. You can see it's mashing right there. So is the bumper filler. The marker light on the other side is decent. This one, it's broken. I can use the lens, but this part around here is broken. Bumper filler is already gone. But I got new ones for my 86. I left the wheel trim because it's kind of dented up. You can see right there is damaged a little bit. I took the rest of the interior for the doors. Like, this driver's side was gone already, so I went ahead and took the other 3 doors. You see over there, I took everything over there. The armrest, the ashtray. I might come back and get these clips off, just in case. Took the radio. I took the dash pad, steering column, all the interior, like the headliner trim, the side trim, all in the back trim. I took all that. I didn't have a headliner, but we don't need it. The only thing I really didn't take in this car was door handles, an entire dash, and the seats. And then you still got a package tray there, but I think mine actually has the cutouts for speakers, along with the 3rd brake light. So I mean, I pretty much took everything out this car that was still here when I saw it. And this thing has been here for like a month. I even took the rocker panels down there on both sides. So yeah, I got the majority of stuff off this car. I'm not worried about these trim around the windows. I already have mine, and they're probably a little better than these. And I bought all new weather strips for the door seals. These all shot. The fender's still good. So if I want the fender, the driver's side's here. Someone took the passenger side. Most of the doors are decent. I don't think about Steve needs a front door, passenger side. But Of course, it has a little damage on it. But I think he fixed it. And the only part that I would probably take would be this quarter, because I have damage on mine like around this area and then down here, but I can fix that too. This has a little rust, so it might be rusty underneath. But yeah, with the rain out here, there aren't too many people out here, which is why I like to come when it's rainy or snowing or any kind of bad weather. Someone destroyed this thing. But yeah, I think this is pretty much it for this Caprice. I don't think there's too much I can take. This trunk seal actually looks kind of new. Yeah, someone ripped it. But that definitely looks new. And there was trunk carpet in here, but there was only one piece, only on this side, which is that right there. Else I would have took the carpet out the trunk. Funny thing too, I actually met the old owner of this car yesterday out here. So he said I guess it had a blown head gasket, and then he sold it to another guy, and then that guy ended up throwing it in a junkyard. So it's just funny. I didn't expect to actually meet the owners of the actual car I'm tearing apart. I felt kind of bad for a minute. Like seeing your baby getting stripped. But yeah, he has other cars, so he wasn't even worried about it. He wanted to get a 80s two-door box Chevy down the road, so it's not a big deal. And as far as my 77, like I said, it's the same weather I'm still dealing with. It'll be nice during the week when I'm at work. By the time the weekend comes, I get dumped on. So whenever weather calms down again, I can finish my roof. But for now, I'll hit the junkyard, do little things, and knock them out. But I don't want to keep yabbing. This is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace. So this is the reason why I went in the rain. Chrome bumper, half off, $22.50 plus core charge. I got the steering column for $15 from $30, and then because I'm always here, I got $25 reward total for chrome bumper, steering column, $27.31. Yeah, I seriously don't know what to do. But it's like I have to take it. I can just take this roof and put it straight on the 77 right now today, and just keep my other roof for later. So I mean, I'm seriously thinking just take at least the glass, and then just chance it they don't crush it before I get the roof. Because this is the exact same yard I got the roof from last time. But it's literally sitting over there where this blue car is right there.